Hello everybody!
Hello everybody and welcome again to our kitchen cooking, and today we're going to be stirring things up a little bit. We're going to be making something very different, very healthy, excellent if you're on a diet and you want to lose some weight. There's no fat in here, it's all natural stuff, very easy to make, great for vegetarians because there's no meat at all, but very tasty, very healthy. And this is what we need. 250ml, 1 glass of fine oats,
Onion, 2 potatoes and salt.
and a glass of hot water, boiling water. And this is what we do to start with. Okay, so the first stage is to take your fine oats and add the salt. Lovely. And just give that a quick little stir around. And then what we're going to do is, this is boiling water, just straightforward boiling water. We're just going to pour that in there like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little stir and we're going to leave it to sit, just to thicken up, just to bulk up for 15 minutes. And in 15 minutes we'll be back to the next stage. Does that smell good to you? A little. It's going to get better. So while that bulks up there nicely, what we're going to do with these onion and potatoes. Now, if you don't have one of these machines that do it electronically, you'll need a sieve, and you're going to dice the onion and the potatoes very fine into like a fine paste. But we do have a machine, so Sophia here is going to put it into the machine, and away we go. So, this is what we come out with. We've got 4 cutlets there, but we've got many for many people. And we've got a beautiful homemade salad, which we made ourselves, very healthy. No mayonnaise, just a vinaigrette, beautiful. Very healthy, vegetarian, beautiful. And people will not understand what it is that you've actually made this from. These are absolutely beautiful. Oh, amazing.